It's important before you try to write code with test-driven development that you can in fact write code without it. This possibly seems counterintuitive, but if you can't write code well, don't understand unit tests, and struggle to refactor, then those are the areas you need to focus on before going down a test-driven development journey. That, however, does not mean that you can't get some value from understanding what test-driven development is about, what the laws are, and what it will eventually give you. So you can write code, and it works. You can write unit tests, and they pass. And you can refactor code to improve its structure. Then the next logical step is to try and adopt test-driven development. Don't expect to dive in and get this right first time. It's not as easy as it sounds. It's going to take practice and patience. At first, it makes no sense, and it seems to slow you down, but it doesn't. That's just a perception thing. And you will probably say this is stupid at least once.
This is stupid.
Well, this is stupid.
Also, remember, this has to be your choice. No one has a gun to your head, and others may be encouraging, absolutely, but not forcing you. If you've tried it before, then some of this might sound familiar. Either way, you're in the right place. Please consider booping the like button if indeed this is content that is useful to you. To continue your test-driven development journey, check this video out next.